Hello, lovely human. Welcome to the Little Flower. So, for today's video, I am giving you a divine activation to help you align to your inner compass, your inner voice. This was inspired by the most recent reading I posted, which was a Two of Swords reading. So, this is kind of a sister activation to go along with that reading. And my intention here is to just help you hone into inner clarity, cut away external voices, cut away external influences, so that you may truly go within, just like in the Two of Swords card where she is blindfolded. We are not seeing anything outside of us. We are listening to the inner call of our soul. So if that is something you need right now, stick around. And the way you can receive this best is to create a soft, sacred space. Make sure you have uninterrupted time to really take this in and just open to receive. Just know that this is your own safe, sacred connection to the divine and transmission from the divine. And I am simply a mirror to that. So let's go ahead and get into it. So take a few deep breaths. Know that you are safe, and know that deep down, your soul's voice rests in stillness. The crystal clear waters that exist in the deepest depths of your being are available to you at any time, whenever you need them. Open up to allow yourself to be guided into these sacred waters now, these sacred waters of truth, bathed in your authentic light. You know who you are. You know why you're here. You know what you're doing. Your voice is honed. The truth will always reveal itself and is always available to you. You are loved, you are honored, and you are believed in. Your truth is precious and unique and crystal clear. There is nothing blocking it. Nothing tarnishing it. It can't be. It is protected by the divine. It is held in truth and sanctity. It is yours and yours alone. And only you are allowed to drink from these waters. This is your own sovereign pool of truth that exists within you. The answers come to you honor this truth, this part of you, for what it truly is, as holy, as good. Recognize it's a fixture of who you are. And in essence, you are holy and you are good. And you are the only one worthy to drink from these waters. It is time to kneel down next to this pool of sacred crystal clear water, to bend over, dip your hands in, lift it to your lips, and take a sip. Allow the truth, the clarity, and the cleansing energy to permeate your being as it moves through your body and touches your soul. And know that the truth, the answer, the alignment is now yours. Trust that in the days to come, the answers will come. Little sparks of insight, or even major divine epiphanies. They are all sacred and exactly what you'll need to help you align to your inner compass, to help you make decisions moving forward that honor your soul. Know that you may return to these sacred waters as often as you need to. Your truth will always be your own, safe, sacred, and held in the arms, in the landscape of your own being, protected by the divine, never to be touched by any hands but your own. You are sovereign. You are free. You are loved, seen, and held. You know who you are. And you are honored for all that you are. Trust in your truth. Trust in your voice. And trust in your path. Take your time, return to this video as often as you need to realign to your inner compass. Feel free to like, comment, or drop a flower emoji if you resonated with this transmission. I am honored by your presence, and I hope I see you in another video. Bye-bye. All right, my lovely human. If you'd like to be supported more deeply through powerful energy healing transmissions and more in-depth, immersive pick a flower readings, I'd be honored to have you in the sacred space of the Little Flower Patreon. My intention for this space is to be a spiritual lifeline, a place of healing, clarity, and soul alignment where you can feel safe to unfold in your most authentic, abundant, and fulfilled self. Each month within the Wellspring membership, I channel a theme for 2 Pick a Flower readings, with one of those readings laying the foundation for what unfolds in the Infinite Prayer. Using Holy Fire Reiki, prayer, and intuitively guided visualizations, messages, and affirmations, I channel a powerful transmission each month inspired by its corresponding reading. If you choose the Overflow membership, you'll receive everything in Wellspring along with access to every extended infinite prayer session connected to monthly in-depth readings here on YouTube. If this space is calling to you, you can find everything linked in the description below. If you enjoyed your time here, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you. You're also welcome to explore my adorable merch featuring my bee and flowers logo and my signature phrase, "Hello, lovely human." With so much gratitude, I send you prayers of happiness, peace, health, and abundance. You are honored and loved.